Hi everyone, it's Rica here. Today I am going to share with you the arbor that we have here in the backyard and how many vegetables I can plant in this very small space. So in this small space I have tomatoes, basil, onions. This is Walla Walla onions. And I have some hot pepper. They called it Santaka pepper. This is very, very hot. And in here I have bell pepper, which is, I think it's close to be ripened. And cherry tomatoes and more peppers. Actually, I have some basils as well right here hiding. And more Walla Walla onions. Another Santaka pepper. This is how much I can grow in this small space. Now, let's harvest some long beans and more tomatoes. So this is a long yard beans and I'm so happy to have it. I'm so excited to cook it. I like to saute it with garlic and onions. So we have another great harvest this afternoon, and to all of you guys who are watching my video, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you continue to support me, and we have still more of harvest to come. Thank you, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!